The Zarla Winter Festival, including in Karnav with vibrant cultural and sports event drawing over 2,000 participants. DC Kupwara Ayushi Sudan facilitated Project Beacon and 7 Rashtriya Rifles for ensuring road sadhana remained open aimed heavy snowfall supported by the Indian Army. The festival featured folk performances, skiing and free training, promoting youth engagement, adventure tourism and community resilience in Karna Valley.
If you remember, टीटवाल में एक बहुत ही बड़ा इवेंट हुआ था जिसमें एक कल्चरल परफॉर्मेंस भी हुई थी, कुछ तिरंगा रैलीज भी हुई थी। जहाँ तक टूरिज्म का हवाला है, यहाँ पर हमारा जो मेन फोकस रहता है वो है कि हम फैसिलिटेट करें जो टूरिस्ट हैं उनको यहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए, और दूसरा और टू क्रिएट सफिशिएंट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फॉर द सेम। आपने देखा होगा चाहे वो तंगधार हो या टीटवाल हो, a lot of support has been given under various self-employment schemes or from the tourism department for registration of homestays. So when you say that there is no positive response, that is a very incorrect statement. Any tourism that is to be developed has to be sustainable in nature, and it is not key, it cannot be developed overnight. It takes its own time. And agar main numbers dekhu over the last 2 years, the numbers have exponentially increased in the last 2 years of tourists who are coming to Karna. आप किस तरीके के झटके की बात कर रहे हैं?
मतलब कुछ इस तरह के इवेंट्स देखने को मिले ताकि
देखिए, जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि लास्ट टाइम ऑल्सो वाई आर वी ट्राइंग टू डू दिस इवेंट्स, चाहे वो इंडियन आर्मी हो या डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हो, वाई आर वी डूइंग दिस इवेंट्स इज टू डू द सेम। एवरी डे वी विल नॉट डू एन इवेंट, एवरी डे नोबडी कैन डू एन इवेंट। We can do an event when it is desired, and definitely आज यहाँ पर ज़रला में हुआ है। We are also going to take it up with the tourism department. When it comes to infrastructure, a lot of infrastructure has already been developed in टीटवाल, और डेवलप हो रहा है। यात्री निवास बनने जा रहा है वहाँ टूरिज्म डिपार्टमेंट से, एंड ये जो यात्री निवास है जो लास्ट ईयर के फाइनेंशियल ईयर में ही अप्रूव हो चुका था। सो as I said, there are a lot of pushes already being done in this sector, but ये जो push है, जो final जो results आएंगे इसके slow आएंगे, but in this case, in Tangdhar's case, it's actually happening on a very rapid scale. We see a lot of tourists coming from Karnataka, we see a lot of tourists coming from different parts of the country, traveling all the way from their homes to Tirtwal, or experiencing border tourism, experiencing religious tourism. So per se tourism doesn't require a झटका, it requires sustained effort.
Ma'am,
ये जो slopes definitely आपने कहा, they're very beautiful slopes, और as I said in the speech also, a lot of potential is there. पर एक चीज़ है कि इसमें tourism department का एक बहुत important role आएगा, and we are going to they are also actually working on the same, not only for border tourism but trying to develop new ski destinations. तो यहाँ पर we'll have to undertake some safety tests also, और वो हम उस तरीके से institutionalize करने की कोशिश करेंगे with the help of the tourism department, so that we should not do things in a piecemeal manner. अगर हम piecemeal में रहेंगे, आज कुछ कर दिया and then tomorrow it's not there, then that won't achieve anything. When we do it, we'll do it in an institutionalized manner, so that if it happens, it will remain for the years. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, ये एक बहुत ही significant population है. As I said, it's a very important subdivision for district Kupwara, और एक significant population यहाँ पर रहती है. तो the buses, of course, they'll be resumed. We will wait for the weather to improve even a little bit more, but definitely they'll be resumed very soon.